What is going on, guys? Welcome back. I got some more exciting Celsius news for you. If you haven't already, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and put a comment below if you've got any questions. I came through with the Celsius prediction yesterday. I got some more exciting news for you. So let's get into it. It's some exciting news. Celsius have taken some money out of the MakerDAO pool. So I'll run through that now. So I just come up across this article by News BTC. So we're saying here, as I was saying yesterday, Celsius have been taking it on the chin, obviously, and they've been drawing money out the platform, and they've paid down more than 200% of the liquidation price, obviously, since they froze withdrawals. They had over 7,000 BTC on the MakerDAO pool at the time, and the liquidation price was around $16,500. So over the weekend, it was reported that Celsius has padded up its position once more, and in a series of repayments since July the 1st, the lending platform has paid a cumulative 142.8 million. The latest of those payments had been the most prominent, with the platform paying 64 million in DAI stablecoin towards its loans. The payment had come hours after a significant repayment of $50 million in DAI stablecoins. It stands Celsius has managed to beat its liquidation down to 4967, which I went through yesterday in my video. A more comfortable point for the lending protocol and its users, who are still hoping to get their coins back, that are now stuck on the platform. Celsius outstanding loans now sit at $82 million, with a collateralization rate above 577%. So will Celsius users get their coins back? So it says here, Celsius is yet to address his users, which we know about. Obviously, like I said, ignore the FUD. Let's wait for Celsius to come back to us to see what Celsius is saying, or Alex Mashinsky. Celsius is yet to address his users if they'll be getting back the funds which are stuck on the platform. There is a good portion of the market that has considered these coins lost, but the Celsius multiple loan repayments, it continues to spark hope in the hearts of investors that they will be able to one day withdraw the assets. Well, obviously, I said this yesterday. I made a prediction that Celsius survives. We may have to leave our money on there till the next bull run, but we're still going to be earning Celsius tokens in the meantime, or interest in whatever we're earning. That's my prediction. I think they're going to make it. It seems like they're doing stuff in the background. Obviously, the last communication was on a Medium post, but if we go over to oasis.app, let me just pull myself through. I went through this yesterday, and I said that obviously they'd lowered the pool down to 4995. Let me just pull that up because it keeps floating off. So it went down to 4995.75 yesterday. But look at this, guys. Look what's happened. If you go over to history, today at 4:35. I'm not sure if that's US time or UK time. We can view that on Etherscan, but they've pulled out 2,000 wrapped Bitcoin. So they're obviously pulling back liquidity. It's looking promising. I'm expecting to hear an announcement from Celsius, hopefully in the coming days. I gotta be honest, guys. I think they're gonna make it. Like I said, I'm sticking with my prediction. You can see it here on the blockchain. See what they've done so far. So look at that. What's that? Look at that. They're taking out a shitload. What's that? $39 million in wrapped Bitcoin they've withdrawn. So that's 2,000 Bitcoins. You can see everything that's gone on here. It's looking positive, guys. Keep going with the Celsius squeeze. That's looking good as well. If you haven't already, as I said, please smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Please comment as well. Also, if you haven't already, if you didn't know, we're doing a crypto course right now. 7 weeks, 7 modules. Doing a lesson a day for beginners, intermediate, expert. It'll go up to as well. But if you want to learn about crypto, you don't know anything about crypto, and you want to get into it, it's totally free. 7 weeks, 7 modules. Check us out. Anyway, peace out, guys. Catch you tomorrow.